The environment class. The environment is a hierarchical component that groups together all the verification components that are interrelated. So there will be multiple agents and scoreboards and other UVM ENVs in the top level UVM ENV. So if you remember this figure, there are multiple UVM agents and a single scoreboard in the interconnect ENV. So here I am instantiating an OCP agent and an AXI master agent and a single scoreboard in the following example. So you can see after the factory registration macro, which is tick UVM component utils, we are instantiating the AXI client agent and the OCP client agent and a scoreboard. And the new function is same for any other UVM component. And in the build phase function, after calling the super.build phase, you will be creating all these components one by one. You will use the UVM factory methods to create the instance instead of the new function. So it will be like AXI master equal to AXI client agent, which is the name of this master, which is type of this master, colon colon type ID colon colon create. Then this name of this particular master, which is AXI master I had given here, and the parent argument, which is this pointer. And in the same way you will create the OCP slave or the other agents and the scoreboard also. In the environment you might need to implement the connect phase function typically. It is needed to connect the analysis ports of the agents to the analysis port of the scoreboard. So in the figure you can see that there's an agent. So in every agent there will be an analysis port if there's a monitor. So in order to connect this agent analysis port to the scoreboard port, you should use the connect phase function in the environment, because this is a place, or the environment is a place where you have handled to both the agent and the scoreboard. So here you should connect the agent and the scoreboard together by using AXI master dot analysis write port dot connect. Connect within the bracket you will give the scoreboard dot AXI write export. So you will be seeing the implementation and the flow of this connection in detail in the coming session, but you should just remember that in the environment, if you have a scoreboard and analysis ports in the agents, you need to connect them together. Typically the run phase task in the ENV class will be empty. If you wanted to start a default sequence in the environment, you can start the default sequence in the run phase function, otherwise it will be an empty function.